Lathe Router CNC Car/Funiture 1325. Item specifics. Brand name Robotech. CNC or not CNC. Condition new model number: 1325. Working size: 1300 x 2500 200 mm. Z-Hin square rails. Z-ball screw from Taiwan. Color as your need. Lathe Router stepper motor CNC milling wood machine for furniture. Car 1325-1530-2030. Product features CNC Router 1325 machine. One thicker square tube bed makes the operation more stable and accuracy. 2 our machines adopt the vacuum or T-slot dual-use table. You can use the clips to fix the small scale materials, which can save the vacuum pump electricity, and you can adopt the vacuum adsorption to fix large scale material. So the processing is convenient, simple and efficient. 3 high-quality Taiwan imported linear guide has much longer life, 10 times of lifetime than round guide. It is stable and hard to distort. 4 3 kW top brand water cooling spindle, much powerful strength, so for processing your soft metal it will have higher efficiency. It will have a better effect. 5 The Mach 3 control system is a very popular control system with high quality. It's with USB port. 6 Double motor for Y-axis make the CNC machine work with more strength. Model RTM 2030 CNC Router 2030. Working area 2000 x 3200 mm. Traveling positioning accuracy ±0.03/300 mm. Repositioning accuracy ±0.01 mm. Table vacuum or T-slot table. Frame welded structure. Z-structure Taiwan TBI ball screw. X, Y-axis Highland rail 20 linear bearing and Taiwan TBI ball screw. Max power consumption, without spindle, 2.5 kW 3 kW. More details check in the description. Thanks for watching.